For Excel beginners, this is the beginning of a series of 28 video tutorials specially designed to boost your Excel skills. The content of this video is always asked during job interviews, so please watch it until the end. Let's begin by clicking on the Windows logo on the taskbar or on your keyboard. Click Excel. Select Blank Workbook to create a new workbook. This workbook is a file that Excel creates to store the data we want. When Blank Workbook is clicked, Excel will open Workbook window. You can also create a new workbook by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+N. Each workbook window has 5 components. Let's explore them one by one, starting from the component on the top. Quick Access stores certain menus or commands for quick operate. You can set quick access via the Customize button and select the menu or command you want to display. Next to it is the name of the workbook. Microsoft search bar to search for things related to Excel. Account name. Minimize button. Multi-windows. And close button. In the second component, there are 4 parts. The first part is tabs, stores a group of commands needed to operate workbook. The second part is ribbon, where the groups of commands are spread out according to the tab selection. The third part is the button of ribbon display options. The fourth part are comments and share button to share the workbook to other users. The main component of the workbook is the worksheet or sheet. Each sheet has 16,384 columns and 1,048,576 rows. The boxes formed at the intersection of columns and rows are called cells. In these cells, you can enter data, including text, dates, and numbers. A group of cells that contain data is called a range. Data is processed using commands stored in the tab and ribbon. By right-clicking the mouse, you can also select your desired commands in the contextual menu. At the top of the sheet, there is a box name, a combination of column and row names. Next to it is the Insert Function button to create a formula or function. Then there is the formula bar which displays the contents of the active cell. The row screen scroller is on the right. The fourth component, Sheet tab, represents an active sheet in a workbook. Place the cursor on the tab and right-click. You can insert a new sheet, delete the sheet, change sheet name, move and copy sheet, change the color of the tab. Column screen scroller is on the right side. In the fifth component, you can adjust display size of sheet with zoom out or zoom in. I have prepared for you 25 timeless functions in the second video. These functions are timeless and frequently used all the time. Available on YouTube since September 12, 2024. You can save the workbook by pressing the Save button or using the Ctrl+S shortcut. Press the Close button when you are finished with a workbook. To reopen a workbook, you can open it from File Explorer. You can also open it from Recent section in Workbook Opening window. By the end of this video, I will introduce 3 crucial Excel tools. Conditional formatting is used to highlight specific data. Pivot table is used to summarize and aggregate a complex data. A chart is used to visualize data to ease the audience in reading it. If you are a beginner, just graduated or a newbie, make sure to always check out video playlists of this channel. Thank you for watching.